Disability and Accessibility Services is excited to announce the launch of our new alternative testing module within AIM, our online accommodation management portal. Instructors and DAS staff will now be able to track, monitor, and organize all test requests in one spot regardless of whether the student takes it online, in the classroom with the instructor, or in the ASC Test Proctoring Center. Two important changes to be aware of. 1. Students with alternative testing accommodations are required to make a request for all tests for which they will use their accommodations through AIM, regardless of whether they take it in the classroom, online, or in the AAC. By doing this, both DAS staff and instructors alike can ensure testing needs are being met. 2. Instructors and DAS staff can view in their AIM portal students who plan to take the test in the ASC or with the instructor when prior arrangements have been made or online. This is determined through the individual student request. DAS will be using the testing agreement in lieu of the instructor information form. The testing agreement between students and faculty establishes a customized space plan for the administration of all testing accommodations in a course. The purpose of this testing agreement is to gather information about your plan to administer tests and support students' use of testing accommodations in your course. The information you will provide will be shared with DAS staff and your students so appropriate testing arrangements can be made in advance. Questions will ask for your plan to administer the tests in your course, types of test formats you use, ask for specific test details that will be helpful to the ASC, and more. There are two ways to fill out an alternative testing agreement. 1. When you receive an accommodation letter for a student who has been approved for alternative testing accommodations, it will include a link to the course-specific alternative testing agreement. This link can be found towards the bottom of the accommodation letter. All you have to do is just click on it and it'll bring you directly to your alternative testing agreement. Logging into AIM, you will be brought to this main page where you'll see a list of all your students who have requested accommodations. To locate the alternative testing module, look at the left-hand side of your page, locate Views and Tools, and click on Alternative Testing. You will be brought to the following page. You have a couple of options here on how to complete the alternative testing agreement. The first option is to fill out a blank agreement. If you need to complete a testing agreement for a particular course, find the section Specify Alternative Testing Agreement and select that course. You will be brought to the alternative testing page. Here's some information for you to review. Please scroll down to the bottom of the page to fill out the alternative testing agreement. This is the questionnaire that you will need to fill out for each course and section. Once you're done filling out the answers, just submit your alternative testing agreement. You will receive an email notification that will contain a copy of your responses. Please note that once you fill out an alternative testing agreement for a particular course and section, it will automatically apply to all students with testing accommodations in that course and section. The second option is to make a copy of the testing agreement you already filled out. So I'm back on the main page for the alternative testing module. Say that you're teaching several sections of a course. You have the ability to copy the testing agreement that you completed for one section of a course and use it for multiple sections of a same course. Just locate, list alternative testing agreement, select a testing agreement that you already filled out, and then select the course that you want to apply it to, and just press copy. You'll see that the system has been successful. You will have the ability to make edits and changes to your agreement over the course of the semester through your Instructor AIM Profile Alternative Testing module. To make an edit or a change to your agreement, just find the List Alternative Testing Agreement section, select the agreement that you want to make changes to, press View, and it will bring you to this page where you will have the ability to make any edits necessary. Once you're done, all you have to do is just press Update Alternative Testing Agreement. You will be notified by email when a student makes a request for a test in your course. There are two ways to view your students' test requests in AIM. 1. On the alternative testing main page, scroll down to the section called Step 2. In this step, you can see what courses a request has been made for, the student's name, the date, and time. For more information about each request, you can click on View Detail. Option 2. On the top right corner of the page, you will have the option to list requests by your courses by selecting Students' Courses. You will see that all the test requests are organized by course. Again, you have the option to view each request in detail by clicking on View Detail. As a reminder, there is a new accommodation called Proctored in the AAC, which indicates to you that the student wishes to take their test in the ASC. If you click on View Detail, it will appear as one of the services requested by the student. Here it is. The services requested by the student will also appear on the email notification that you will receive when a student makes a test request. Just scroll down on the email and it's there under Approved Accommodations. For those requesting to take their test in the ASC, DAS staff will be following up with you closer to the test date with an email reminder. Please be aware that in the case of an online test where no proctored is required or where other arrangements have been made, students will make test requests in AIM to ensure that their testing accommodations are provided for, but you will not see proctored in the AAC on those requests. You will be able to upload your test into your AIM Instructor portal. AIM's server is secure, and the only individuals who would have access to the files would be you as the instructor and the AS staff. On the alternative testing main page, you will see 3 steps. Step 1. Upload file to exams. Make sure this is selected. Step 2. Select from the following courses. Make sure you select all the students in the same course taking the same test. Step 3. Click on Confirm your selections. You will be brought to another page where you can upload the test file. Just click on the test that you want to upload. You can provide an additional note if you want to, then press Upload Exam. If you need to upload additional files, please repeat the same steps. You will then receive an email notification confirming that the files have been uploaded. You can also return back to the alternative testing name page to verify this. Under Step 2, you will be able to monitor the file upload under the section status. Or you can scroll down to the bottom of the page to the section labeled List Uploaded Exam Files. Please note, in this section, you can view the file you have uploaded or delete it, especially if you have made changes to the test and want to upload the new file. If you specify on your alternative testing agreement that tests can be returned via AIM, we will be able to upload your test into AIM securely. Once a test has been completed and has been successfully uploaded into AIM, you will receive an email confirmation from our office. Please log in into AIM and go to the alternate testing module to get your completed test. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to the section List Uploaded Exam Files. Click the tab Show All Completed Exam Files. All test files that have been completed and uploaded will appear here. You then can click on View to download the test. When you view a test file, you will be brought to this page and you will be automatically sent a verification email containing a verification number to input. Once you input the code, the test file will automatically download for your viewing purposes.